What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again, and today's video is going to be a little real estate related, and I'm going to give you 3 simple ways on how to find deals in 2020. So if you're ready, let's go.
Nerf this!
So if you're finding my channel for the first time, my name is Sean, and each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. I am well versed in the areas of personal development and real estate investing, so I'm going to give you all my tools to find deals in today's market. So in today's day and age, the market is a lot higher than it used to be, so it's a lot harder to find deals on or off MLS, and that's where I'm going to give you number one. Number one is to go on MLS. Now, this is an old school approach. However, if you're first starting to get into real estate investing, MLS may be the best place for you. Now, again, you're not going to come across a home run deal as often as you would if you are talking to people who have properties off market. Now, the first thing I would do is get in contact with a realtor, and if you're in the Boston area, I can definitely help you with that. Reach out to me, send me a message, and get set up on an automated email alert. So every time a property pops up with the criteria you're looking for, you'll get alerted. And also, if you have an agent who's willing to go to bat for you, that agent may be able to go chase down expired listings. Those are people who wanted to sell but didn't end up selling for whatever reason, or maybe they can door knock some neighborhoods that you're interested in and see if anyone's willing to sell to find you something off market. So right now I am just getting out of the 9 to 5, and I'm gonna head into the office and do some marketing stuff, so off we go. So here we are at the office, obviously. Right now I'm going to show you on MLS what to look for. Obviously you need to be a realtor or have a real estate agent to get you this access. However, this is definitely one of the strategies you can use to find deals on MLS, and by the air quotes I mean deals that have either been canceled or expired for some reason. So I'm going to show you how to search for that right now. So in MLS, you can see, listings that have expired or have been canceled for whatever reason. You can, differentiate it by type. Obviously, you want to go with a multifamily here, or if you're looking for a single family flip, that may be, the route you want to go. Obviously, you'll put in, the off-market time frame here, and then any other criteria on the right here: beds, baths, however, much land you want, bathrooms, etc., and then obviously price, low to high, and then the towns you want. Obviously, we're working with Boston and our surrounding Suffolk County. I got highlighted right there, as you can see. So if you just did Boston, and it's going to be a lot, obviously, because it's going to go all of Boston. Multifamily. So 213 results. So that's populating right now. But basically, you can go and see why these did not sell, and oftentimes you can, find some deals that way. So definitely an avenue to use MLS if you're not setting up that auto elite email alert, which I highly, highly recommend. And since we're in the office, that's going to lead me to my second tip on how to find deals in the market in 2020, and that is to network. Now, these deals are going to come from some sort of relationship, whether it's a relationship with your real estate agent, whether it's people you work with, a family member, or if you go to some sort of real estate investing association meetup. That's where you're going to find majority of the deals. It's just by talking to people, seeing what's out there, letting them know what you're looking for. And sometimes investors can't buy every deal that comes across their desk. Maybe they'll think of you if you're fresh in their mind, or you can seek out a wholesaler whose job it is to find deals and pass them along for a fee to real estate investors like you and I. So my office is actually hosting a real estate meetup, the Boston Real Estate Guild. It happens every month, and this month, meaning February, is going to be February 7th. It's a Thursday. It's going to be in the North End at Ned Devine's. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description, so if you're in the Boston area, you want to come, hang out, talk about real estate, or just meet up, be there. I'll be there. It'll be a great time. So again, that's where you're going to find majority of the deals, and it's going to be somewhere where you're building some sort of relationship with someone. So get out there, get talking to people, and let them know what you're looking for, and when they maybe overhear someone talking about it or find something themselves and they can't take it because they don't want it or it doesn't meet their criteria, maybe they'll pass it along to you and you can strike gold. Now I'm gonna go back on MLS, do some work, and I'll catch up with you after. So right now I am on my way home, and then it's gonna hit the gym. So after the gym, I will give you the third and final tip. Keep on watching because you're gonna wanna know what it is. So Gaines acquired, Lilia and I are back from the gym. We just took a shower, we're about to relax and unwind for the night. So I'm gonna hit you with the third and final place on where to find deals in 2020, and that is to use social media. And it is a lot easier said than done, I know, yes. Don't expect to post one thing saying, hey, I'm looking for XYZ. If you know anyone buying or selling, please let me know. You're gonna have to be consistent and persistent with it. It's not gonna happen after one post. You may get a lead after one post, but it's gonna take multiple times. And again, it just goes back to networking in general, and that's being at the forefront of someone's mind. You have to be the first person they think of when they think of real estate. So if you're always telling people what you're doing, what you're looking for, if they know anyone, then you're going to be at the front of their mind when they think of something or when they come across something. So again, if you're posting on your story every day or every other day, or on your Snap or your Facebook or whatever you're using, if you're making one post a day or one post every other day, something's going to come across your platform to present itself to you. There's going to be a lead. Now, another way you can do this is to search hashtags or groups on Facebook of other real estate investors or anybody buying or selling or using Bigger Pockets. I've plugged them a bunch of times on this channel. That's a great way to find deals. If you're networking with people on Bigger Pockets, I've called Bigger Pockets the Facebook of real estate investors, and you can find deals through there. It's just a great place to be for any investor. It's completely free. There are, pro membership status you have to pay for, but you can use the platform completely free, connect with other people completely free. I'm going to link it down below. No affiliation. No affiliation is something I really believe in. So definitely check out Bigger Pockets, and use Facebook, use Instagram, use Snapchat, whatever the kids are using today, TikTok, I don't know. But you get the point. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope this video helps you. My name is Sean. In each and every video, I do try to make you the best version of you. Thanks so much for checking it out. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.